Hi everyone! Today I've had a surprise Christmas gift turn up at my door and I don't know who it's from. I know that it's something to do with colouring because it was labelled Colour with Claire, but it didn't have any information on the front of a brand that it had come from or whoever it had come from. So I thought we would open it together and see who it is. It's a surprise gift, so you're going to be as much in the know as I am at the moment. So let's open it up then. It's got all this kind of tissue papery stuff in it. So let's get it out of the bag. It's very nice. We'll undo the ribbon. Any guesses who this might be from? I don't know who's sending out Christmas gift boxes this year, which brands are doing that. Sometimes you will just get one out of the blue. Open it up. Ah, Artex, fabulous. Love the Artex pencils, so I'm really excited to see what we've got in here. Hopefully there might be a set of the new, I think, is it, how many was it? It's 100 and something pencils. And just a message from them on the back there. That's lovely. So let's get rid of some of this tissue paper and see what we've got. There's loads of it, it's making a right mess. Put it on the floor, hopefully the dog won't get it. Okay, let's see then. The first thing I can see here is the Artex Travel Paintbrush Set. So is this going to be like a water brush, I wonder? Let's have a look. Let's open it up so we can see exactly what we've got. It's pretty boring otherwise. Okay, so it's a little pouch. And then we've got these. They look like the ends of... Hang on a minute. Ah, I see. So it is a full-size paintbrush that goes into itself. It's not a water brush, but it is, excuse me, it is a travel paintbrush set, a small one and a thicker one. And then you put them, I guess, in this little wallet. Maybe. Yeah. Slide it down into the wallet, and then you've got a couple of paintbrushes, different sizes, anywhere you want to go. That's really sweet. We have got some Artex Metallic Watercolour Paints. Let the light of the stars shine in your brushes. We've got 8 colours in here, but it's quite a large palette. So let me open it up. Just use my compass to open it up. And we will see what's inside. This really does feel like Christmas. It's very exciting. Let's see then. Okay, so metallic watercolour paints. It's got a really nice glittery effect to the front as well. I don't know whether you can see that. And on the back, you've got the colours that are included. So we'll open it. Oh, wow. These are huge paints. These are huge. I don't think I've ever seen a metallic paint set with pans that large. Let me just get a different one for reference. Let's see what I've got here. So we've got the Calero pans, which are really quite big themselves, but they're still nowhere near as big as that. And of course we've got our favourites, the KJ Design by Karen. These are typical watercolour half pans, so you can see just how big they are compared to that. That's fantastic. I'd definitely be giving those a go. We're going to have to do a video where I test all of these out and see how they perform. Okay, we've got the acrylic marker set, which has 30 colours, water-based and brush tip, bright and opaque, available on different surfaces. I think that means they work on different surfaces. Yep, 30 acrylic markers. So these should, in theory, be a bit like Posca pens. Let's have a look. Really nice packaging, I've got to say. Very thick cardboard, you know, it's not your cheap sort of thin stuff. So we've got, what are these? Oh, these are stickers. So let me have a quick look what we're doing then. Acrylic marker, high adhesion, and it's a brush as well. So that's handy. You don't normally see paint pens with brush nibs. So that's really cool. And then, like I say, you've got these stickers. So I suppose you would stick these maybe to a chart, something like that. I don't think you'd stick them to the pen. Where is the name of the colour on the pen? I'm not entirely sure where you're supposed to identify the names. This is 500, but there is no 500 on here. I have to do some further investigation into that. If you've got any ideas or you've got this set, do let me know. Then we have Oh, we've got some masking tape down here, these little masking tapes, which are actually washi tapes, and they're Artex branded as well, so that's really cute. It says masking tape, but it also says hot stamping foil, but I've no clue what hot stamping foil is. Okay, so this is a gorgeous box. Like I said, the packaging is just on point. Let's open it up. What do we have? Oh, wow. These are just lovely. They're like little cups. Now, obviously, this is some sort of Chinese traditional cup for something. I don't know what exactly that is. Whether it's, sometimes they have little water cups, don't they, to clean their fingers when they're eating. But there might also be little tea cups. I'm not entirely sure. I don't know whether it tells you. It doesn't look like it. But that's really nice. And they're very heavy and very good quality as well. Incredibly well made. Look at the little pictures on them. That is really, really nice. So massive thank you to Artex for sending this surprise gift out. It's really cheered me up on this horrible, dreary day. And yeah, we will do a future video. This was just a really quick one to open it up with you and see what was inside. But we will do a future video testing some of the things that they've sent, especially those, the watercolour paints, because I just can't believe, I'm astounded by how big the pans are. Maybe they're not so thick, but they are certainly large. So yeah, we'll give those a go in a future video. Hope you've enjoyed watching this quick unboxing, and I'll see you soon on Colour with Claire.